The country's COVID public health emergency is set to expire on May 11th, but the Douglas County Health Department will continue to post its dashboard on its website. Officials addressed the Board of Health earlier today, reminding the public that we are still dealing with COVID. They said they will even add more info into the site along with the existing dashboard.
So it's really important that we're still continuing to provide information to the public for them to make good decisions for themselves and for their families, and also help them understand what data we're using in our decision making. And really, the hope is that as we modernize how we handle data in the health department, that we will be able to be much more transparent.
County officials are still building the brand new website. It will include other health-related information like food inspection reports and monitoring the county's air quality. We're going to have many more details about the new website coming up on Live at 4.